Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this video we will see create a singly linked list in sorted order. Means if you want to insert the 5 numbers in a linked list in any sequence, then output is in a sorted order. Means every number is added in a sorted manner. Okay, so let's see the one function. So here I will make some changes in a create function. So this is your create function. Here we declare some variable. Okay, so this is like a normal create function. So here we accept the how many nodes. So for example, if nodes is that the 4. Okay, and by using for loop I equal to 0, I less than 4. So first we create one gate node. Okay, for example, this is your gate node 5. Okay, so initially start equal to null. So if start equal to null, true. So start equal to temp. So this is start. Okay, so it is not going to else. Again I plus plus. Now I equal to 1. 1 is less than 4. True. Again temp equal to get node. For example, your next number is that the 4. See here, this is your next number 4. This is your temp. Okay, check start is equal to null. No, it is going to else. So see here in else, by using this for loop, so here we remove this code and we shift it into here. This is your 5. Okay, start. So see here for loop ptr equal to start. So this is your ptr. Then prev equal to start. This is your prev. Check here ptr is not equal to null, true. Okay, and data ptr of data. So ptr of data is that the 5 is less than temp of data. Temp of data is that the 4. So 5 is less than 4. No. So here we break this for loop. So see here next, this is your if else. So see here if ptr is equal to start, true. Ptr and start pointing to the same node. Then check here ptr of data is greater than temp of data. So ptr of data is at the 5. So 5 is greater than 4, true. So it is going to if. So see here if temp of next equal to start. So this temp of next is pointing to this start and start equal to temp. So now start equal to temp. Okay, like this way we add the number in a sorted manner. So let's see, for example, your next number is that the 8. Again going to first temp equal to get node. So here we create one node. For example, this is your temp. Okay, then start is equal to null. No, it is going to else. So see here first is the for loop statement ptr equal to start. So this is your ptr and prev equal to start. This is your prev. Then ptr is not equal to null, true, and the ptr of data is that the 4 is less than temp of data. So temp of data is that the 8, true. So for loop have the semicolon. So it is going to incremental part. So prev equal to ptr. Okay, which is already pointing, and the ptr equal to ptr of next. So ptr is going to next. Again going to condition ptr is not equal to null, true, and the ptr of data. So here ptr of data is at the 5 is less than 8, true. Okay, going to next incremental part prev equal to ptr. So this is your prev and the ptr equal to ptr of next. So here ptr of next is that the null. Now ptr is the null. Next condition is that ptr is not equal to null, false. So here we break this for loop. Next, if ptr is equal to start, no. Ptr and the start both pointing to the different location. Here start is pointing to the first node 4 and the ptr is the null. So both have the different value. So it is directly going to else. So prev of next equal to temp. So this is your prev 5. 5 node is that the prev. So prev is assigned to this temp. Okay, and temp of next is going to ptr. So temp of next ptr have the value null. So temp of next is also null. So like this way, here we add the 8 at the end of the linked list. Okay, so like sorted order, 8 is in the last position. Now my next number is that, here we assume next number is that the 7. So 7 is added in between 5 and the 8. So let's see how to add it. So see again, temp equal to get node. For example, this is your temp which have the value 7. Then start is equal to null, false, it is going to else. In else, execute this first for loop, ptr equal to start, prev equal to start. Condition is that ptr is not equal to null, true, and ptr of data is that the 4 is less than temp of data is that the 7, true. Okay, then prev equal to ptr, and the ptr is going to next. So this is your ptr. Then check, going to again condition, ptr is not equal to null, true, and the ptr of data is that the 5 is less than 7, true. Okay, again prev is going to ptr and ptr is going to next. Again ptr of data is that the 8 is less than 7, false. So here we break this for loop and check here, ptr and start, is there equal? No, it is going to else. So see here, prev of next, so this is your prev 5. So prev of next is pointing to this temp, and temp of next is pointing to the ptr. So by using this way, we add the 7 in between 5 and the 8. So like this way, so my insertion order is that, so first I will insert 5, then 4, then 8 and the 7. But my output, see here, my output is that 4, then 5, then 7, then the 8. This is my sorted linked list. And after that, here we return the start. So let's test this code. So going to program mode. So see, this is your default program. So this is a structure, this is a get node, okay, and this is the my normal function create, okay, then this is display, and here main function we call the create, and here display my linked list. So first we test this code. So compile and run. So my node 4, so 5, 6, 7, 8, this is my linked list. Okay, so again we run, for example 4 nodes, see here 5, 4, 8, 7. So output is that 5, 4, 8, 7. Okay, so this is your the plain linked list. Here we are not adding the logic of a sorted. So here let's open this code, and now we modify this create function. So see here, this is your for loop. Then by using here temp equal to get node, start equal to temp. Then in else, here we use one for loop. So see, prev equal to start, ptr equal to start, then ptr is not equal to null, and ptr of data is less than temp of data, semicolon. Then prev equal to ptr, and the ptr equal to ptr of next. Okay, then here we check ptr equal to start, and ptr of data is greater than temp of data, temp of data. If it is greater than, then here we add the new node at the beginning. So here temp of next equal to start, and the start equal to temp, and here prev of next equal to temp, and the temp of next equal to ptr. So after that, here we return my start. Okay, so let's test this code, compile, and there is an error, prev is undeclared. So here we declared my pointer prev. Okay, so compile and run. So how many nodes? 4. So 4, 5, 8, 7. See here my output is that 4, 5, 7, 8. Again, how many nodes? 5. So 3, 8, 2, 6, 9. 2, 3, 6, 8, 9. Okay. So my output is in a sorted order. So students, test this code on your machine. If you have any queries, then comment on our query in comment box. Like and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.